Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to ds over cosine s squared. This one we change by u, and that is about u squared. This one we change by u. ds over cosine s squared we change by du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 2 over 3 sine t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 over 9 sine t squared. Number 9 and number 9 we cancel. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t squared, we change by cosine t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and du. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to 2 over 3 cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. Du we change by this one. This one we have 4 over 9 sine t squared. Number 9 and number 9 we cancel. So we just have only number 4 sine t squared. So number 4, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t squared we change by cosine t squared. The square root of 4 cosine t squared, we have number 2 cosine t. And now we simplify number 2 cosine t. The integration of number 1, we have t. The integration of sine t, we have negative number 2 over 3 cosine t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by 2 over 3. And we have t equal to arc sine of 3u over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.